expecting flowers?
I only need you 'cause I came here for something.
I've given you everything, but giving you nothing. I did what I had to do.
No, you only did what's best for you.
Well, you could learn a thing or two. When push comes to shove, you do what you gotta do.
You were never there. Guess you don't have a phone. You never called to say I miss you.
Are you kidding? Is this a joke? You need to let it go. You're stronger with those daddy issues.
Oh, thank you.
Show me some respect. It ain't easy to neglect. My attention would have made you softer.
Ooh, should I be proud? Don't turn this thing around.
I guess you are your father's daughter.
Don't think I need you. I just came here for something.
Giving you everything, but giving you nothing. How about I go with you and we'll spend some time?
How about you stay here 'cause you're out of your mind?
Let's make new memories. You can show me the town.
No, you can keep your memories now.
Get over it.
I am over it.
I'm over you, baby.